There is no on-off button on this. It's simply just press the head against the product and fire. Hey guys, Brad here. Today we're going to take a look at Metabo's 23 gauge pin nailer kit. You get a really nice carrying case. It's soft bag with zippers on the top. You can hold the kit plus a lot more stuff in this. You get a set of safety glasses. You get the tool itself. You get a 3.0 battery as well as a charger. This is a 23 gauge pin nailer. So the nails on this are headless. You can fit all different kinds of brands in here. As you can see, there is no head to these. This is perfect if you're wanting to use it on finished material like stained wood or even painted MDF that you just need to touch it up with such a tiny little bit of paint. This will shoot 5/8 of an inch all the way up to 1 3/8 inches. The tool itself is really light. You've got a belt clip on it. You can put the belt clip on the left or the right hand side. I like to keep mine on the left because I'm right-handed. Once we slide the battery in, we're good to go. There is no on-off button on this. It's simply just press the head against the product and fire. So it's really easy to use. There is a light on the side here, so we can press this button. We get illumination. So that's handy to use if you're really working in a dark area. It does stay on, and you got to just press that button to turn it off again. We've got depth of adjustment on the side here, so you can adjust how far those nails are going in. We've also got an extra bumper for the nose. So this is a very pointed bumper. And then we've got more of a flat style bumper here, which is a little wider if you want to be using this on flatter material. There's also onboard tool storage here. So if you need to take the head off because of a tool jam, super easy to do. Cutting that cord makes your job so much faster, streamlined, and you're not tripping over things. All in all, I really do like the Metabo 23 gauge pin nailer. It makes doing fine finishing just super nice, super easy. All right, guys, I hope the video helps. Keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.